Hey everyone, Keith Katz, Quality Service Center. Just want to show you a little something about headlights that might be of interest to you all, maybe not. Anyway, we had a car come in, called us up, hey, we got a headlight out, can you replace the headlight bulb for us? Yeah, sure, bring it on in, not a big deal. So we get the vehicle in, sure enough, the left headlight's not working. We pull the bulb out, the bulb was burnt out, so we take a new bulb, plug it in, turn the headlights on. It's not working. So we go and look, and there's no power coming out to the headlight bulb. Here's a headlight bulb. You know what they are. You just take them, you stick it in, you plug it in, and it works. And it's supposed to. Well, so simple little headlight. My headlight's out. I need a new headlight bulb. Turned into about a $700 repair. All because of this thing, known as a body control module, a smart junction box. Yeah, we used to be able to turn our headlights on and the power would go right to the headlight, from the headlight switch to the headlight bulb itself. But now we need something that says, oh, my headlights are on, I ought to go turn the headlight bulb on and turn it off. Obviously it does a whole lot more than that. So a little simple, I don't know, $25, $30 bulb turned into a $700 body control module, smart junction box, whatever you want to call it. Just another reason why car repair is getting expensive. It's not as simple as it used to be. So fortunately, we were able to find the issue. We replaced it, reprogrammed a new body control module, and its headlight's working fine. So anyway, Keith Katz, Quality Service Center. Sometimes a simple headlight isn't so simple, is it? Hey, take care now.